I'm going to show you how you can set up your LinkedIn profile. Now, from here, first off, when you want to sign in to LinkedIn or you want to sign up, you will need to provide either an email or a phone number. I usually prefer an email, so let's just put in our email here. So let's just put in our email like this. Now, after that, you just want to tap on agree and join like this. Now on here, now you will need to create a password. Make a strong password. I'm gonna put in my password right now and then tap on agree and join. After that, you want to enter in your first name and or your last name. So for example, I want my first name to be John and then the last name will be Smith. Now tap on remember me as well to make it easier for your next login. Now let's tap on continue. Now on here, you can do a security check now. So let's just follow through with this. Hold on. Now on here, just tap on start your puzzle. You can see there might be a couple of things you need to do. So I'm going to tap on start puzzle. Now you can see it will be asking you to do things like these. So you just have to do it as fast as you can. After that's done, this is what you will look. Now, after that, there's a couple of things we need to set up now. Now you need to pick a location. So on your location, just pick wherever you live. So for example, you live in Canada. I'm going to put in Canada. I'm going to put on Ontario here. And then on here, put in your most recent job title. So for example, I've been a barista before. So tap on barista. And then the most recent company I've worked on is called Starbucks, for example. So tap on Starbucks. After that, tap on next. Now, tap on next. You can also put in a picture if you'd like, but I'm just going to skip for this. Now you need to enter in the 6-digit verification code that has been on the email. Should be set right now. So I'm just going to enter it in real quick. Once you have entered it in, you can see it look like that. Now it would ask you, are you looking for a job? Answer this based on what you really want. So for example, if you are actively looking for a job, just tap on that. But if you want to not really, then you can also do that. I'm just going to say yes. I'm going to tap on next. Now on here, what kind of job you're looking for. So add what kind of job you want. So for example, I want to go from working as a barista to be working as an IT manager or something like that, right? So you can tap on, for example, assistant manager if you'd like, or salesperson or sales specialist, and then tap on done. You can also do job location. So for example, I live in Ontario, Canada, but I can do other things as well. I can go to North America if I'd like. I can go to the European Economic Area if you like. I'll even go to the US or the Australia, things like that. And then tap on done. After that, just tap on this as well if you're open for remote work. If you're not, then just uncheck it. Now let's just tap on next. On here, you can see you can also get notified if you'd like, but I'm just going to turn that off. I'm just going to tap on next. And then you can also share to record this if you'd like. I'm just going to tap on next as well. Let's just wait for this to load. Now after that's done, it's going to make you connect with some people here, but I'm just going to skip for this. It's not really necessary. So just tap on skip for now. And then it'll just find new jobs for you. And this is where the setup for your LinkedIn profile ends. Now you already have an account ready to be played with. And that's it. You're done.